Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Short and Bob Pixie Haircut. How are you my dear viewers and subscribers? I have many prayers for you. May God fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity. In this video, I will show the different styles of new haircuts. Long feathered layer cut, bouncy layered, messy cut with choppy layers, creole layer with highlights, long layer with highlights, short length layer, long V-cut layer, step layer cut with long hair, bobby haircut, layer haircut, short haircut, short saggy bob haircut, and Chuck Bernetti haircuts. First of all, talk about the Bob Pixie haircut. Bob Pixie haircut is the trendy and bold choice for those who want to rock and short hairstyles. It is a combination of classic bob and pixie cut, resulting in the chic and edgy look. The bob pixie is typically shorter at the back sides with longer layer on top that can be styled in various ways. It is a versatile haircut that can be customized to suit your face and shape and personal style. Whether you can prefer a sleek and polished look or a more textured and polished style, the Pop Pixie offered the endless possibilities. It is the great option if you are looking for low maintenance yet fashionable haircut. Short haircuts can be fantastic choice for a fresh and stylish look. They are often the versatility and can be customized to suit your face and the personal style. Absolutely, the short haircuts can be the low maintenance and can save your time when it comes to styling. They can also help to enhance the facial features and create a bold and confidence. Let's talk about the layered haircut. It is the choice for adding the texture and movement to your hairs. They involve the cutting different lengths of hairs throughout the layers, creating the dimensions and volumes. Layered haircut also a fantastic choice if you are looking to add the texture and movement to your hairs. Whether if you look the long locks of the shorter styles, layers can enhance your natural beauty. You can edit the volume, create dimensions, and give your hair a more dynamic and lovely appearance. Plus, layered haircut also offer the versatility when it comes to styling. You can wear these types of hair straight, curled, or even the opt for a messy, beachy look. So, if you are ready to switch up your hairstyles and add some flair, a layered haircut might be just what you need. A feathered bob haircut is the trendy and stylish choice. It features soft features like layer that added the texture to their hairs. Feather bob haircut are the fabulous choice if you are looking for the trending and chic hairstyles. This haircut combines with the classic bob shapes with the feather layers, creating a soft and textured look. The feathers layers added the movement and dimensions of the bob, give it a more modern and stylish vibe. Whether you prefer a short bob or a long bob, and a feather bob can also customize to suit your face shape and hair's texture. It is a versatile and low maintenance haircuts that can be styled in various ways to suit different occasions. So go ahead and rock the feathers bob with the confidence. The short saggy bobs is the chic and trendy haircut that the feathers are shorter length with jagged or uneven ends. It is a stylish and eggy twisted on the classy bob hairstyle. The jagged ended added the textures and movements of their hairs, give it is the modern and the playful look. If you are considering the cutting a short saggy bob, it's also a good idea that consult with a